We can say Ba'un Kisra B, Ba'un Kisra B, Ya'un Sukun, B Nufata na, Bina. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to teach 3-letter words, 3-letter words. Now let us start. We can say it like now. Let us start with the basic alphabet. I know you all know what is this. This is Alif, Fatha, Wa'un, Sukun, Nunun, Nunun. You can see it. Nunun, Fatha. Now, how do we call this letter? You can say Alifun, Fatha, Wa'un, Sukun. This is what we call Sukun. Alifun, Wa'un, Sukun, Aw, 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 Aw. Nunun Fatha, Na. Nunun Fatha, Na. Aw, Na. Aw, Na. Aw, Na. Now let's go to the second. Alifun, Wa'un, Sukun, Nunun Fatha, let us put Dhamma here. Alifun Dhammo U, Wa'un Sukun, Nunun Fatha, Na. Now how do we call this one? Now let us call it Alifun Dhammo U, Wa'un Sukun Aw, Nunun Fatha Na, Aw, Na. Aw, Na. Now let us repeat these two alphabets. Alifun Fatha A, Wa'un Sukun Aw, Nunun Fatha Na, Aw, Na. Aw, Na. Alifun Dhammo U, Wa'un Sukun U, Nunun Fatha Na, Una. Now, is that clear? Now let's go to the next step. You can see these are very simple. Now let us bring two examples from Ba'un. Ba'un. Now you can see it. You can see it. Now you know this is Ba like this. Ba'un. Let's clean it first. This is Ba'un like this. Ba'un. Ya'un. Nunun. You can see it. Ba'un. Ya'un. Nunun. This is what we add up. You can see Ba'un. Ba'un. Ya'un. Ya'un Sukun. You see Sukun. Ya'un Sukun. You can see. Now, Ba'un Kisra B, Ya'un Sukun B, Nunun Fatha Na, Bina, 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 Bina. You can see the vowel Bina, Bina, just two elongation. Bina, Bina. Ba'un Kisra B, Ya'un Fatha, Ya'un Fatha Na. Let us clean this one. Let's go. Now let's do this one. Ba'un Fatha Ba, Alifun. You can see it. Alifun here. Ba'un Fatha Ba, Alif Madda or Alif Maddi. Ba, Ba, Ba. Nunun Fatha Na, Nunun Fatha Na, Bana, Bana, Bana. That is how it is. Let me write it here. Here it is. Because it's 3-letter word. Ba'un like this. Ba. Alifun. No, you can see it. Bana. Like this one. Bana. Now let's go to the ta. We can say tandomotu. You can see tandomotu. Wa unskun. Tu wa unskun. Tandomotu wa unskun. This is what we call skun. This is wa un. Nunu fatana. You can see it. Tuna. Tuna. It is called what? Tuna. 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 Just a little bit vowel. Tuna. 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 Let's the last example on town. Town kisrati. Town kisrati. Ya unskun. Town kisrati. You can see town kisrati. Ya unskun. T. You can see ya unskun T. Nufatana. This is nunun. It is called. Say it. Let me see. Tina. Thank you, T. Beyond Kunti. Nufatana. Tina. 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 You can see it. Tina. Thank you, T. Young Kisra. Beyond Kunti. Nufatana. Tina. Now, let us read it. Let me bring something so that we can read it together. Now, let us read it together. Alfin fata'a biwawun sukun au nunun fatana au na alfin dammo wawun sukun nunun fatana na ba'un kisra bi ya'un sukun bi nunun fatana bi na ban fata ba alf mada ba nun fata na ba na tando mo tu wa unskun tu nun fata na tuna tagisra si ya uskun si unufata na si na. Do you know how it is been done? Now let us repeat it again. I hope you are following me. Now you see this alifun, this is fatha. If you look at our previous lessons, you can see how I do it. If you have not checked it, you can go and check my previous video and see the fatha, kasra, all the vowel, the Arabic vowel. I have put them down. You can see them and how to use it. Like this one now, you can see this is alif, this is fatha, and each fatha it has been pronounced as a. This one is, we call it skun. And if you add it with this one, it is ow, because this one is wa on ow. Alif fatha a wa on skun ow nun fatha na ow na alifun damma u wa on skun wa uskun nunu fata na na, na. Yeah, this is what we call dhamma. This is sukun. This is fatha again. You see, na. Now, the next one, baun kasra b. You see this one now, it is under. Fatha is always at the top. This one is kasra at the down. Baun kasra b. Ya uskun b. Ya uskun b. Nufata na. Nufata na. B na. B na. Pamfata ba. Alif madda ba. Ba. Nufata na. Ba na. Ba na. Ba na. Tandomo tu. Wa uskun tu. Tandomo tu. Wa uskun tu. Nufata na. Tu na. Tu na. Tankisrati. Ya uskun ti. Tankisrati. Ya uskun ti. Tankisrati. Ya uskun ti. Nufata na. Ti na. Please, guys, if you have not subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like and comment. Anywhere you don't understand, let me know. I will do video about it. Inshallah, everything will be free. Everyone can learn how to read Quran. Thank you. Masalam.